time for the Bloody Guava gin version. Also, I wanted to mention, in case people don't know, the movie Malignant comes out tonight. I'm super excited about that. It's on HBO Max. I think it's also in theaters. It's by the people who did the Conjuring movies. And I'm a huge horror movie aficionado, so I'm definitely watching that tonight. But it looks more like a psychological thriller. I think it's gonna be really, really cool, so check it out.
I'm having visions.
So we're doing the gin version now. I'm getting kind of full. Had a lot of these so far, but okay, so again, 1 ounce of lemon juice, and again, I squeeze my lemon juice ahead of time, so. Okay, filling it. Okay. This is what I do, people. I spill. Okay, so we got our gin, we got our lemon, we got our marmalade. Sticking some ice in. I'm shook it longer because I'm curious. I don't know if I wasn't shaking them enough, but they were all tasting slightly off. And I think it's either because of that or because I wasn't shaking as much. So let's see. This again is the Bloody Guava with, oh dear, with actual gin. This is like one of my favorite drinks that I created. So I'm curious to see if I'm like, because that's what's been happening so far. I'm kind of nervous because, see. Still good, still good. You get the blood orange and the guava. Yeah, it's still really good, refreshing. It does taste a little different and I don't know what's going on. Maybe I have a cold, maybe something is going terribly wrong. I'm not really sure, but I think in this case though, I do like the Bloody Guava with gin more than the Ritual one, because the Ritual changes the flavors and you're not getting pure blood orange guava like you do normally. In this case, I do think that the regular gin wins. Something is slightly off of my taste buds maybe, but normally I would make the Bloodiest Guava, which is a version of the Bloody Guava that includes Salerno for extra orange flavor. However, again, I think I said I haven't found a good alternative for that for a non-alcoholic one, so I'm not gonna compare those. But if you wanna see the Bloodiest Guava, check out the other video. I also have a video where I'm just making Bloody Guava. Check out my other videos, like, subscribe, and check out Missologist.com. We have cool tips, we have videos, and we have a subscription box that you can get where it has, drinks that I've either created or, classic cocktails. And yeah, see you in the next video.